In today's video, I'll teach you how to hide your activity status on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. So if you want to hide your activity status, what you have to do is simply turn off the active status. So for that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to access the options related with settings and privacy over here. Tap on this option, settings. Now you can see over here you'll be able to access the settings. Simply scroll down under the section for audience and visibility. At last you'll be able to find this option for active status. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find this option over here, show when you're active. So what you have to do is toggle this button off. Now tap on this option, turn off, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your active status has been turned off. That means your activity status will be hidden from the people. So that is how you hide your activity status on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.